A quick question to Ravi. So, Ravi, taking off from the AI, ML, from a marketeer standpoint, what do you think is the impact of technology on leadership?
Most leaders are struggling and they will continue to struggle between privacy and responsibility. Their charter will be to ensure that privacy is strengthened, responsibility will test their leadership skills. That's one. Second thing, they will struggle between localization versus globalization, because platforms are reality now that will seriously test their strategy, their leadership strategy of localization versus globalization. It is already happening. It has tested at least top 5 biggest companies in the world, and it will percolate down and it will continue to test that. That's the second one. Third thing, ability to diagnose and do forensics of any kind of corruption, would seriously test existing corporate governance. It will not be that easy that you call few people and you listen to them and then you agree or disagree. So hierarchical and committee structure of leadership when it comes to corporate governance will be tested. Fourth one, which is a difficult one, I think it will happen. I may be wrong, but I think I'm quite bullish it will happen. And that would be the biggest test of a leadership. Morality will be strongly tested. Morality of at least in next decade, because I don't see average age of a leader being reduced to 22 years in next 12 years. I don't see that happening. And since I don't see that happening, their inherent morality to pass judgment, to trust, to create processes, to create teams will be put to test like it has never been put to test ever. That would be the impact of tech.